Hi everybody, my name is Albert Tan. Today I'm going to walk through the new AI website builder by 10web.io. Before we start, let's go to see what we have in the agenda. You have a very short walk about the 10web AI builder. After that, we will discuss the pricing and who should benefit if you want to buy this 10web AI builder. After that, we go into a little bit detail on the pros and cons of using this AI builder. Last but not the least, the conclusion. Without further ado, let's go into the AI builder. Okay, before we go to the AI builder, let's go to see what this website 10web is all about. Basically, this company 10web.io is actually a hosting company. They call themselves Managed WordPress Hosting. That is their core business. And now they are trying to do a website builder, which is with an AI assistant. Before we go there, let's see what they have in their website. As you can see, they claim that they don't have to have Chef hosting anymore. And they have super fast website. And for your information, their website are hosted in the Google Cloud. Let's go through the pricing. Okay, this is their pricing for the 10web hosting. Their personal plan, premium plan, agency plan, and the custom plan. If you remember very well, they actually have a lifetime deal in the AppSumo app, AppSumo website. I can't remember very well the packages, but personally I didn't buy. Maybe that time they are still not so well known. Okay, before further ado, let's go into the AI website builder. They claim that this AI builder actually can clone or what they call recreate a website within minutes. So we are going to see whether that is true. Let's go into the website builder. This is the backend of the builder. As you can see, I have actually created, or we call it migrate, a website from an existing website called contentloop.com. This is a website by a member of our group, Mr. Ken Moo. He's a digital marketer based in Singapore. Let's have a look at what the website look like. This is the website that is recreated using the 10web AI builder. Let's see what is the actual website look like. Oh, wrong address. Missing a T. Okay, this is the actual website from contentloop.com. It's a very beautiful website, and Mr. Camu is actually a successful digital marketing agency in Singapore, and you can see the website is very well done. This is the landing page or the home page. And these are the services he provides: lead gen, SM advertising, SEO, social marketing, CRO, chat marketing, viral digital marketing, SEM, web design, email marketing, and you can say it's all in one digital marketing agency. So this is a very beautiful website. Let's see what I have recreated using 10web AI builder. Yes, this is the recreated website. As you can see, most of the things that is created are actually very close to the original website. except a few things. Okay, after we scroll finish, we go back to the top. Okay, you can see the header. This is the header. So you can see the call to action / schedule a call is actually not aligned, and there are some spaces here in the hero image there. Okay. However, most of the things are inside, except that you have to what I call edit it in the backend so that you look more similar. I would say that maybe it will be 70 to 80% accurate, except that you have to fine-tune the layout, remove the spaces, add in some photos correctly, and you are free to go. Oh, you can see that the icons or the pictures on top of this description of the services are missing. You can see here this original website. Yes, it's here. This is original icons, but in the website that we built with the AI builder, there is none. Let's scroll further. Oh, the icon is here for the next section. The original website. Yeah, the icons are here. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the what you call the form to schedule a call. Okay, and you can see that the reCAPTCHA is not there, but you can always edit back when you are editing using the TempWeb AI Builder. Okay, so I would say that this TempWeb AI Builder, you can create the website within minutes. For this case, it's about 5 minutes. I recreated this website, and depend on the complexity of the website that you want to recreate or copy. So there are something that you have to actually go in detail and touch up so that it become more presentable. So I will not go into the detail what are the use case now, but I just want to show you how is this website being built using a AI builder. Okay, I have built this, I have recreated this content loop website earlier so that I can demo to you, and I created about 4 pages. So this is the first page. As you can see, you can go to the about page. I just click. Yes, hold on. Okay, sorry. This is a about page, and this is the original about page. Okay, this is the original about page. This is the about page created using the AI builder. For this page is very, very close, the similarity. Look at the bottom of this about page. You can see that the map is not loading. Okay, so you can see that all this section, the map, telephone number, email address are very well laid out in the original website. For here, everything, the content is there, but you have to, I would say, to rearrange all this in the backend in the editor. Okay, let's go to the other page called contact page. Okay, this is a contact page that is built or recreated using the AI builder. Let's see what the original contact page is like. Okay, this is the original page. You have a very thin contact page form for you to fill in, and this is the one that is using AI Builder. As I say, it's quite similar, except that you have to touch up all the editing, especially on the spacing. Okay, last but not the least, let's see what is the call to action that is being recreated using the AI Builder. Schedule a call. Let's click here. This is the original one. Let's say this is the one that created by AI Builder. No, not right. Okay, I think I didn't create this page. I only created 3 pages. So sorry for that. Okay, so that's how first look at the AI Builder. And now I'm going to build another website from scratch and see how fast you can build it and how well it performs. Okay, so this is the left hand side of the backend, and this is the content loop website that we have created earlier before we start the video recording. So but now I'm going to do a live creation. Let's say we go to this website, https. This website is called nexia.co. It's actually a venture capitalist, or we call it angel investor for startup. If you have any startup looking for funding, you can actually go to the website and have a look. Okay, https. That should be the right. You can see the spinning is here, which means they are looking for the website. Okay, so for the AI Builder at the present moment, it can build 5 pages, 1 to 5. As earlier, this website content loop, I built 3 pages. So for here, for demo purposes, we don't want to take out too much time. We only build the home page. Okay, so you just have to copy the address of the website that you need to recreate, and AI Builder will actually put in all the necessary plugin and install in the right position. Okay, let's say are we ready? So if we are ready, then we can go. Okay, so now you say that import a recreated website. Okay, you can see that it's loading the web pages. I do not know how long you take, but maybe about 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. In the meantime, we look at what it's doing at the back end. We're looking at the website builder from the web description. Okay, this is the pricing for the web hosting. For the AI Builder, as you all know, this AI Builder is actually having a lifetime deal promotion, and you will have 3 more days in order to get the 30% special discount. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, basically, as you say just now, we have actually, you only need 3 steps. Step number 1, you enter the website link. Step number 2, you go to the, you'll get a copy of the website recreated in the WordPress in maybe 5 minutes, 2 minutes, depend on complexity of the website. After that, you can actually use the TemWeb editor, which is actually a version that is built based on Elementor. So simple step 1, step 2, step 3. And the price for this lifetime deal is actually here. Okay, this is already 30% discounted. So after 3 days, the price will increase by 30%. Okay, the lifetime deal for 3 websites, $55 US. For 6 websites, 85. For 15 websites, 140. And from agencies, you actually have, I would say, 1,000 websites. I'm not too sure whether you will build 1,000 websites in your lifetime. So it's actually priced at $280 US. Okay, all the features, the most important feature, of course, will be the AI assistant, the drag and drop based, what they call Elementor based editor. I will show you in the backend later. And they have all the premium widget or plugins for Elementor in the backend. And actually, you can build a WooCommerce site inside the builder. Of course, our website builder have to be what they call have responsive editing features, and they have a number of template available, 40 plus, and these are actually all the starter sites. I have a look at this now. Some of the starter sites are actually very beautiful. Okay, one more thing that is actually quite good is that they have a 60-day money back guarantee, no matter what's the reason. And it should have enough time for agency or your individual to buy this one if you are interested, to test out for 60 days, not 30 days. So 60 days is a very long time for you to test. If you are not happy, just return, no matter what's the reason. Let's see the other one. Okay, this one is the drag and drop website editor. Okay, as usual, as I said earlier, their editor is actually based on Elementor, but they add in a lot of things. Okay, and of course, they are actually 100% responsive and mobile friendly. And they have a lot of design element that I will show you. They call it widget or they call plugin, and you can upload custom font. You can customize your website using custom CSS. You have sticky header, all the kind of plugin. Okay, this is the AI website builder widgets, and you can see that they have a lot of what they call this a premium widget. As usual, you will find it in many other add-on like Elementor Pro, price list. You have this price list, media carousel, block code. You can have a look at it later. I would say that all this widget is very comprehensive, and in addition, they have a WooCommerce Builder web widget here. You can actually build a fully functional WooCommerce website. And these are the template that we are talking about. Beautifully built, not worse than Astra or some other starter website in other builders. Okay, let's go into our backend of this temp web builder. Okay, it's ready. Once you have copied or you call it recreated the website, you will look at this screen will come up, which means you are ready to view the website and also edit it. Let's go. Click. While it's loading, let's go to see the actual website. Okay, this is the original website. We call it nexia.co. So it's a company that help the startup to grow via their venture capital, angel investors, different kind of incubators network in Malaysia, Southeast Asia. So if you are from Asia or Southeast Asia, you can actually go to them and ask for your funding for your startup. Okay, this is the homepage. Oh, I see some familiar name. These are the what they call supporting partners: DigitalOcean, Microsoft, AWS, Google Cloud Platform. Okay. Okay, this is their website. Let's see how is it being created in the AI builder. Okay, this is being created by the AI builder. You can compare. Here, this is original. This is the recreated website. Let's go to the top first. Okay, this is the header. Of course, there are some space in between all the menu. So, but don't worry, you can always edit it in the backend. As usual, the AI builder will actually recreate the page with the proper layout, but then you have to so-called adjust the pacing on the elements or the sections. Okay, this is the one that you have a lot of space here, this here, and the space here, and I believe the logo size are not optimum. Look at the original. Let's go up. Yes, this is the original website. Of course, you can see the spacing are very well spaced, original, and this is what I call the icon we are talking about. Okay, so this is the video. You can copy the video. That's it. So this is the intro video. Let's stop it. Let's see what they have created using the AI builder. Okay, so you can't play the video, but then I think you have to put in the correct URL in from YouTube before it can be played. And below go by section. Yeah, you see a lot of jumbled out spaces here. So this is one of the things that you have to edit it in the backend in order to look similar to the original website. Yeah, this is the logos that you have, very well spaced in between. And this is the one that we're using, 10web AI Builder. Okay, this slider is well created. Okay, except some of the picture of the people are not there, or these are repeated. Peter Wee. Okay. And these are the testimonial, I believe. Let's see the original testimonial. Okay, the info box is very well designed, all the spacing. And of course, you can do the editing in the backend for this 10web is builder. Okay, so these are the bottom menu footer. Of course, here all the icons are big and not very well spaced. These are well spaced and look smaller, look nicer. Okay, so what do you think, guys? I think this 10web AI builder actually can build website using AI assistant. Let's go to our agenda today and see. Okay, let's conclude whether AI generated websites are real. I would say that it's real. You can create this website using AI assistant, but of course it's not 100%. I would say maybe 70 to 80%. But you have to go into the back end to do the touching up. Okay, before we go to see who should be benefiting from this AI builder, we go to the pricing first. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is the pricing. So for the lifetime deal, all the plans you have lifetime access and also lifetime update. The only difference is you have 3 websites, 6 websites, 15 websites, and 1000 websites. So if you are a big agency, this could be your choice. If you are solopreneur, maybe the first what you call first plus plan is your choice. And if you are a freelancer or expert for small agency, you can build from 6 sites up to 15 sites. Okay, let's go to the next agenda, pricing or who should benefit. Okay, just now we have built these two websites earlier. This is just now we just built. Okay, just before we go to the next slide, I would like to talk about the pricing. Let's compare with the most popular builder in the world, Elementor Pro. And you can see from this slide, for one site, Elementor Pro, you have to pay $49 per year. But unfortunately, you don't have any plan from the TemWeb AI Builder. For the 3 site, Elementor Pro is $99 per year. But for now, for the next 3 days, you can get it with $55 for a lifetime. And Elementor Pro, there's no 6, right? But for TemWeb AI Builder, you can buy it at $85. Sorry, I'm running out of voice. For 1,000 website, this is where the comparison come. Okay, sorry. Let's view it properly. Okay, for Elementor Pro, you have to pay $199 per year for 1,000 site, which actually we can actually call it unlimited. For TemWeb AI Builder, you just have to pay $280 one time. You can unlimited, not stay unlimited, unlimited update, unlimited support, but limit to 1,000 website. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. Next, come to the question of who should be benefiting if you use this website builder. As you know, just now the pricing for the solopreneurs and also freelancers, if you are small timer, you can actually buy 3 websites or 6 websites, which is $55 or $85. For agencies, you could either buy it at the 6 website, 85, or maybe 1,000 at 280. That is the highest tier. And personally, I feel that this AI builder, AI artificial intelligence assisted website builder, is especially suitable for landing page builders, for agency who was specializing in building landing page for customer, for your client, or maybe for internet marketers who actually build a lot of landing page for their campaign. It would be very beneficial because you can actually churn out a landing page very fast by copying or maybe by recreate from existing website. For example, you see some website that is very good design or also beautiful website landing page. You can just copy and recreate and make some adjustment, and there you go. Within maybe an hour, you can get your landing page up instead of doing a lot of manual work to what I call do your landing page from scratch. It might take you 1 day to 2 days. Okay, another good point for agencies, small or big, you can do site migration from your client, for your client who are actually in other platform other than WordPress. For example, Wix, Squarespace, you can migrate them to WordPress using this AI website builder. So these are the 2 plus points where you can greatly benefit the agencies. Okay, let's go into detail what I call the pros and cons of using this TemWeb AI builder. For start, you have actually quite a lot of premium plugin, or they call it extension or add-on in used together with the AI website builder 50 plus. As you can see just now, I've shown you there are many. I can show you again afterwards. And apparently they claim that they have more widget than Elementor. And if you are using this TemWeb builder, TemWeb AI builder, you actually don't need a theme. You don't have to buy a separate theme because the theme is built in. And if you are using this, you also don't need to use Elementor Pro because it will be redundant, because TemWeb builder is actually having their own premium plugin, and they actually claim that it's better than the Elementor Pro. Okay, and of course I have shown you that this what you call the deployment, or you call it recreate the website, is quite fast, within a few minutes to 5 minutes. Maybe if you have more pages or more completed pages, you take longer time. But from my experience, it takes about 5 minutes for a simple website, or 1 page or 2 page website, some even 6-7 minutes. And the other benefits will be you can import from Wix or Squarespace, especially for customers who want to migrate to WordPress. Okay, and the website builder actually based on Elementor. If you are an Elementor user, whether it's a basic or the Elementor Pro user, it becomes very easy for you, because all the familiar what they call element and the method of a workflow of creating the website or editing the website are there. Okay, and I was told by the founder that they will have client management features in the agency plan soon, and WooCommerce website could be built, and they have actually done the web hosting in their own website that have speed optimization. Of course, I can't test any speed optimization because this site are not live. So I believe they have done some work over here, and we can see how it goes if you buy it and test it out. What are the cons? Okay, the number one disadvantage is the moment you buy this TemWeb AI builder, you are locked to it, because whatever website that you build, if you want to do any adjustment or editing, you have to go back to this builder. You can't edit it in other builder. I think it's the same for all other builder, like for Breeze or whatever, you have to go back to their own builder. Currently, you can only build 5 pages in one go, but then I was told by the development team they will do it for unlimited pages in a month's time. Okay, just to be very sure, there is no hosting here, because hosting is extra. Even though they are actually a hosting company, you have 2 choices. One is to host it into your own server, or to host it into their server. Okay, so in terms of price, I have shown you, as compared to Elementor Pro, you have to decide whether this is a good price or it's not a good price. For people who actually have Elementor Pro, you may ask, hey, why should I buy another AI builder? So for people who has not have any builder or have not bought any builder plan yet, you might want to consider this. The last thing is it a con job to say that AI can build a website? I would say that AI has come a long way. In automotive industry, various type industry, even in medical industry, you can actually use robot to do some surgeries. So for us in the web agency, I think AI is here to stay, and I believe it will become a new norm in future. Okay, let's go into the website and have a look at the web end. Okay, let's go try to see the backend, how the TemWeb builder look like. Okay, you can see the familiar Elementor base builder is loading. Okay, so this is the website that we have created using the TemWeb AI builder. You can see the logo here. You can see the very familiar. These are the basic, what they call Elementor. This is the builder, inner section, heading, all this. These are the normal one. And the general one are here, or the add-on. And these are the plugin by TemWeb. Okay, let's see. There are many. Form builder, gallery builder, slider. You name it, they have it. Okay, let's minimize it. And these are the premium widget by TemWeb. Pricing table, of course, you need pricing table for your website. Call to action, countdown, testimonial, search form, animated headline. Okay. And you can actually, what they call, edit on the header and footer over inside the builder. Okay, let's see. Let's see the WP dashboard. And this is Gutenberg box. No. Okay. Okay, this is the familiar backend of the WordPress. So the moment you have recreated the website, they actually install the necessary plugin for you. Okay, of course, a TemWeb builder, the speed optimizer. Yes, just now I'm talking about whether the optimizers are there. Yes, they actually plugins. These plugins are here. Of course, Elementor have to be there. And this is the Form Maker Pro. This is by other vendor. This is gallery export import plugin, photo gallery. This is a slider. This is SVG support. Okay, so whenever you do what they call import a website, they will investigate the original website, what type of plugin that is needed, and they will install it in the backend. Okay, that's it. Let's go back to the builder. Okay, this is how we do the creation of the website. Before we end this presentation, or you call it a video walkthrough on this AI builder, let's look at the template they're having. These are the template they have in the AI builder. Maybe we should just have a look at one. Which one should we use? Okay, let's choose this kindergarten. We just import it and have a look. It takes some minutes for us to see the website. Okay. Let's close the other pages first. Okay, while it's loading, importing, we should have a look at the, let me have a look at the conclusion to save time. Okay. In the beginning, we said that whether the AI generated website are real. Yes, the answer is real, but you need to do some touch-up editing at the backend. I would say that at the present moment is about 70 to 80%. And I would say that it could, this is the first, as they claim that the first company to have created AI assistant website builder. I believe some other company will jump into the train or bandwagon in the future. But I think they still have a lot of work to do. AI and web development, they have to work together. Maybe in the future, we can churn out website pretty fast with all the AI technologies. And actually, it's actually good news for the web agency or web developer like you and me. So if you are interested to try out the AI builder, please click this web address and you bring it to your trial, and you can try it for a few days before you decide. And don't forget, if you want to buy at a 30% discount, you only have 3 more days before the promo is ended. Okay, where is the site that just now we are talking about? Okay, just now we are importing this kindergarten template. Let's see what is the website look like. Okay, this is the actual website. This is the editor. As usual, it's also Elementor based. You can edit all these things and actually you can sell this website. It goes very fast to the dashboard. Visit the website. Okay, so these are the actual website that is created. I would say it's quite clean. The starter site, home page, about page, the program. Okay, so that's all I have today, and let's go to the conclusion page. And I hope you enjoy this video walkthrough, even though it's supposed to be a 10-20 minutes walkthrough. Now it become about 40 minutes. So sorry for taking up too much of your time. And if you think that this 10 web AI builder will help you in your web designing, go to this link and just buy it. Thank you very much.